What are you doing here?
What? The Fat Controller give me more trains than you. And I'm a tank engine. You're useless.
Thomas was something Edward's trying. Alright, now where's Edward?
You're so old and pathetic. Like, I get to pull nice coaches while you pulling goods? I'm a tank engine. How that work? Edward, your train is ready. Let's go. This Negro ain't talking about nothing. Edward, don't be sad. Because that ugly sack of
Thomas, it's not worth talking anymore.
Move out of the way. I'm getting my train ready. For what? You're too old and weak. You can't pull no train. Ow! What the fuck?
Don't you ever get in my way again.
Thomas has seen everything.
Ooh, that was a long day.
What are you doing here?
This shed is for the Fat Controller engines, not you.
And I don't care. Now leave. Let him in. What is you gonna do about it? This shed is for the Fat Controller engines. Something you ain't. Listen here, you son of a... Shut up. You be mean to Edward all day. Nigga, how is you gonna be mean to Edward when nobody wants you? I heard since I've been hit. You go from railway to railway. Don't nobody want you. Don't nobody love you. Nigga, you don't even have a name. Your name is 1912. That is a number. We all got numbers. Not a name.
Don't nobody want you. Don't nobody love you. Judging by the way you act, nobody ever will. Now leave. Waste of space, unnecessary.
We've had multiple reports of you breaking down today. Multiple. 3 different times. You wasn't even going up a hill, down a hill. You was on flat track. All the paperwork is done. Leave. Leave my railway and don't come back. You boys okay? Yes, sir. We're fine. Thomas had spoke to that new engine. That's all. One of these days I'll be back. And believe in that, Thomas the tank engine. One of these days.